Next up, Live in the Sand for Gunny and The Value of Sharing for Turncoat. This is yet again another shared mission where we need to complete either A or B. We won't be able to complete both of these, so you'll need to pick which vendor you want to level up, whether it's Gunny for M4 platform weapons and stuff like that, or Turncoat for AK platform weapons. It's your decision of who you want to level up, but you can only hand in one of these two quests, Live in the Sand and Value of Sharing. For this, we need to find a substance under a house and either return it to Turncoat or we get rid of it by the pier for Gunny. So decide which one you want to do and commit to it. That's pretty much it. The decision is up to you. In order to complete these two missions, head all the way to the far east side of the map by Pier, call in a helicopter here, and we'll be heading across to plus minus this building all the way over here by the warehouse in the middle of the town. It's once again a PvP area. There's tons of angry people in the area, and of course, even angrier AI. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, landing over here by Pier, we'll head pretty much all the way to the northwest side, right about over here, or maybe even just a bit to the right, and we'll be able to find what we're looking for there. Entering the town here, we'll head off to the right in this general direction. I'm pretty sure this area is being cleared out by other players, so it should be relatively safe to traverse through. There are usually many angry AI around here though. And heading across just past the warehouse here, up the hill, next to the well that we came to previously, you'll find this house over here. At this one, we need to go underneath, and over here in the corner, you should find a suspicious box. We'll go ahead and pick this up, and it'll take up just a 2x2 slot area. With this, we can either return back to base if you'd like to give it to this vendor over here. Otherwise, if you want to get rid of it at the northern pier, we'll need to head on the map to the pier all the way roughly over here, and I'll show you that now in case you choose to follow Gunny on that quest line instead of, I think it's Turncoat. Alright, coming past this last house over here, we'll keep heading around until eventually we reach this pier with a boat by it with no houses surrounding it other than this little overhang here. Heading down onto this lower pier, you'll find in the corner we can aim and we can drop our package over here. But instead, I think I'll be leveling up the AK vendor, so Turncoat, so instead I'll bring this back to base and we'll continue from there. Although now you know how to handle both of these quests should you choose to pick the other one. Alright, now we land back at base. We'll go ahead and we'll open up our vendors, followed by not Gunny but Turncoat because we can't complete Gunny unless we go all the way back there, and I'll be handing it into Turncoat. Bam, there we go. We'll succeed the mission with Turncoat and we'll fail the one with Gunny. So here's what Gunny says when you happen to fail it, and of course these are the rewards that we get for our quest. Cool. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.